Alright, children, so let's start with the discussion of this sheet in which I had given you some Olympiad questions. Hina bought 4 pairs of earrings and each pair costing rupees 17.35. How much change will she get if she gives the shopkeeper a rupees 100 note? So multiply 17.35 by 4, you get 69.40. Subtracted by 100, you get your answer. The answer is 30.60. Why? Because the cost of one pair is given to us, right? And 4 pairs would be into 4, and then you have to subtract it by the total number. Now, this is an interesting question, the second one. Buy 3 books and get 1 book free. So, with every 3 books, you actually get 4 books, right? So, if you buy 6, you'll get how many? 6. With 3, you get 1. With another 3, you get another 1. So, 8, right? And so on and so forth. If one book costs rupees 20, how many can I buy with rupees 120 with the free offer? So total is 120 you have, and the cost of one book is 20, so divide it, you get 6 books. So therefore, since on 3 1 is free, therefore on 6 2 will be free. So total books will be 6 plus 2 8. All right. So you will get 8 books, a total of 8 books. Excuse me. Each day is made up of how many minutes? So multiply it by the number of minutes, the number of hours, 24 hours into 60 minutes, 1440 minutes. All right. Use Vedic maths, please, and add a 0. Can I say that 2 quarters past 2 is 2:30? No. You always say half past 2 or half an hour to 3. All right. So remember this, you cannot say 2 quarters past 2 is 2:30. Mathematically, it might be right, but I cannot say it, technically speaking. And anyways, 2 quarters past 2. Mathematically, also, it will not be right. 2 quarters, right? So 1 quarter plus 1 quarter means 2 by 4? No. So half past 2. Mathematically, it may be right. Yeah? So you do 1 quarter plus 1 quarter. These are 2 quarters. So 2 by 4 makes half. Right, but fraction wise it is right, but you cannot say it in terms of time. You don't say like this, right? You say either half past 2 or you say half an hour to 3. At quarter past of any hour, the minutes hand will be at always 3, which means 15 minutes past, right? If a thing weight is 3 kg and 5 grams, how else can I write it? 3 kgs means 3000 grams plus 5 grams, 3005 grams, so 3005 grams. So let's turn over the page. Another interesting question, children. If Hardik works on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, how many days will he work in February 2022? 1st February 2022 is a Sunday. First was a Sunday, second will be a Monday, third will be a Tuesday, so 5th will be a Thursday, Saturday will be 7th. So you can continue counting like this. 3 plus 7, next Tuesday will be 10th, and 12 and 14, and this how. So 4 into 3, 12 days, right? So he works for 12 days. Some little complex calculation involved over here. Not calculation, I would say. It's a tedious thing to do, and you'll get the answer. Which letter is common in all the 3 figures? Look at the diagrams. So something which is there in the triangle, in the circle, and in the square, it's 12 only, right? Rest of them might touch 2 figures or only 1 figure. In fact, the rest of them touch, 7 touches only 1 figure, 5 touches only 1 figure, 9 touches only 1 figure. 10 is intersecting between the circle and the triangle, but not the rectangle or the square. So 12 is the only one which is there in all 3. A bucket can contain 5.5 liters of water. How many half-liter mugs can Dasmaya pour into it? Now, I've just done this to make it clear to you, but otherwise there's no need of doing this half plus 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 half plus, right? Instead, what you do is half a liter mug, right? So for 5 liters, you'll just require the double. So you'll require 10 mugs, and 5.5 liters, you will require 11 mugs. Simple, right? So half a liter mug. So half a liter mug means to make 1 liter you require 2. To make 5 liters you require 10. And 5.5 liters will be 11 mugs. Series was easy. 75 plus 86. plus 97 plus 108 plus 119. Just it increased by one number. Yeah, by not one number, it increased by 11, right? So this was the easiest ball game. 12, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Yes, this is interesting. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 7 tak, you might have thought something is happening, but then you did not have a 9 over here. You had an 11, you had a 13, you had a 17, you had a 19, you had a 23. So what are these? These are the primary numbers, right? So these are the primary numbers. So I hope you enjoyed this exercise. So wait for more next week. Thank you very much.